Hello. In this video I will show you where to download and how to install KmsAuto full version for free and without viruses. To get started, go to the Isotope website. You will find a link to the website in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. Next, you need to select our program from the list and click Download. After we have downloaded the archive, we need to transfer it to the desktop or to any other place convenient for us. Next, we need to unzip the archive into a folder. You also need to immediately copy the password to the archive. The password is 7474. Next, we need to enter a password. We can enter it or just right-click and paste. Then we need to open the folder with the program we downloaded. After that, we launch the program and select the software that we need from the list. Next, we need to specify the path to the program we want to hack. As we can see, now we have a trial version of the program, but we will fix it now and get full access to the program. To do this, we need to click on the crack button and wait until the download is completed. As we can see, the program has been hacked and we have gained full access. Now we can run the program and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, like and write a comment. Good luck.